My name is Mohammed Hafiz Qays. I'm currently working as an analyst in KPMG India, and I've cleared 11 out of 13 papers of ACCA. So I was born in Kerala, and then till KG1 till second grade I was in Gujarat, and from third grade to high school, that's 12th grade, I was in Qatar. And following that for UG, I did it in Bangalore. The only CA I knew was Indian one, the ICAI one. So that was the most popular career path in my 2019 batch, like commerce batch. It's like you graduate from 12th, you join CA. That was it. That was the mindset of parents as well as my peers that time. My dad gave me a brief intro because he was doing his MBA that time and his tutor was an ACCA member. So through him, he got to know what ACCA was and he thought it would be a perfect fit for me as well. Regular BCom, they just teach you, the very basic stuff or what is expected to you, like let's say clerical accounting or like very base level jobs. So ACCA basically it's a more nuanced, more professional career path. I would say. Wherever you apply, let it be a startup, mid-tier firm, big fours, anywhere. And if there's another applicant that has done BCom as well as an ACCA, they will be more inclined to check, the one who has done BCom with ACCA. I was interviewing. The interviewer asked me, "Are you doing any professional courses?" That was one of the questions that asked me, and I said yes. So that demeanor immediately changes. That okay, this person has done a professional qualification and they're doing ACCA. Let's say I work in a Big Four here. So if you take the Big Four scenario in Qatar, most of the leadership positions they're actually held by Indians, partners, directors, etc. They're all Indian CAs also, and as well as a mix of CFAs, ACCs, etc. So anyone who's willing to go, they'll actually go ahead for it. So my mom is the one who taught me to dancing. She herself was a dancer back in college. She has done classical and Bharatanatyam. So when it comes to dancing, I would say the main thing is that it's, the sense of freedom is what I feel for me the most important is. So this faculty from Zell, he helped me a lot on how to, grasp those standards of SBI and how to apply it. This placement support job, which I got through Zell, was very, in-depth. It helped me prepare for the interview process, whatever technical questions which they're supposed to answer me or ask me in the actual interview. They had helped me to prepare for those as well, both in the technical aspect as well as the soft skills aspect. Happy birthday, Zell. Wishing you a happy 10th anniversary. Celebrating a decade.